Hey there guys, in this quick comparison I'm going to compare the Dxtrade with the Dxtrade and what are the things that you just need to know about the both. So important thing is that the Dxtrade has more features and also indicators. So if you're looking for better detailed trading, the Dxtrade is a way to go. Now on the other hand, with the Dxtrade it's simpler to use. It's simpler to use and also preferred for straightforward trading. So if you don't really like to go deeper into trading, you can go with the Dxtrade. So these are like the really two important things. Now with the Dxtrade, it's like simple and user friendly, and just need to be aware that you can go really complex with Dxtrade, and you can have like watch list, various indicators and things like that. So it depends what you want to actually trade. And now with the Dxtrade on the other hand, here you are going to have the P&L, the profile, the watch list and news and things like that. It depends what you're, of course, like say like news here, top movers and things like that. And you can have also like a full screen for trading. That's something you can do also. Now they're both good, but it really depends which one you want for what. What I encourage you to do, try both and see how it's going to work out. And that's pretty much it. So thank you very much and have a great day and goodbye.